Hello everyone, this is Doreen Hall, and I wanted to show you this week's free download at Paloma Piano, which is the high-low flashcards. This week is September 25th, 2019, and this freebie ends on October 2nd, 2019. So I wanted to show you, it will be on the sidebar at the website, and I wanted to show you how to use them. So I use these with beginners or with preschool students, and what you do is you print them out, you cut them up, and they draw a card. And the card will say something like low group of 3. So they're going to look for the group of 3 black keys and then put a bead or a penny or something on the lowest note. Or it might say the lowest note on the keyboard. They can put a bead on the lowest note of the keyboard. Or it might say the highest note on the keyboard. Or this one says lower middle group of 3. So you're going to look for a group of 3 black keys, and there's 2 middle notes, the G and the A. The G is the lower one, so they're going to put a bead on the G. There's one that says middle group of 2, that's the D, and so on and so on. You can use these just to place beads, to have them name the note while they place the beads, or maybe to just look at the card and in their mind tell you what the note is. It's a fun activity, and it's easy to do during a lesson. They'll be free, so go to palomapiano.com and download your set to use with your students. Have a great week. Thanks.